Hello friends, I am Guna Madhivanan, Current Affairs Faculty at Offices IAS Academy. In this video, I will be discussing 88th Current Affairs Hitlist topic, that is regarding National Recruitment Agency. Friends, in India, close to 3 crore aspirants, they apply for jobs which has close to 1.25 lakh vacancies. So 3 crore aspirants, they appear for about 1.25 lakh vacancies in central government for various posts which are recruited by agencies like Railway Recruitment Board, Staff Selection Commission, IBPS, right? Here we have to understand, friends, for all these posts, for all these exams, the syllabus is same, curriculum is same. But we have different exams. So the aspirants, they again and again they go and appear for different exams. But same syllabus, same format. What is the problem here? The aspirants, they are wasting their time by appearing again and again. They are paying fee every time. For the government, they have to conduct exam again and again. They have to come up with a foolproof mechanism. Evaluation process, conduction process, result publishing process, so many problems are there, right? So now government thought, why don't we have a common test, a common eligibility test for these exams? Let there be an agency called as National Recruitment Agency. Let them conduct that common eligibility test. But remember friends, this National Recruitment Agency will conduct only the preliminary exam. That is even for Staff Selection Commission or IBPS or RRB, whatever. Only for non-technical posts, that too for preliminary round, only this National Recruitment Agency will be conducting exam. The mains exam will be conducted by RRB or SSC or the IBPS separately. So those recruitment bodies will continue their good work, but this National Recruitment Agency will conduct only the preliminary exam, because common curriculum, common syllabus, and this this common eligibility test, as I said, will be conducted by this National Recruitment Agency, and that test will be in online format. Every year the test will be conducted twice. 2 times it will be conducted under 3 categories. One is for graduates, there is one common eligibility test. One is for people who have passed 12th standard, we have a CET common test. Then another one is for people who have cleared 10th standard. For them we have a separate common entrance test, eligibility test, right? Every year 2 times test will be conducted. You will get the score immediately. The moment you finish the exam, you will get the score. And that score will be valid for 3 years, friends. That score will be valid for 3 years. If I am writing an exam, I get a score, maybe out of 100, I get 78. That score will be valid for 3 years. Using that score, I can apply for mains exam. Using that score, I can apply for mains exam conducted by RRB, SSB, IBPS, I can apply. This year, I said every year 2 exams. In the first exam, I was not able to get a good score. Okay, in the next exam, you improve your score. That highest score will be valid for 3 years. And you can apply for various mains exams, right? So this National Recruitment Agency will be conducting Tier 1 examination for RRB, Staff Selection Commission, as well as IBPS exams. These agencies, as I said, will remain, but the preliminary exam will be conducted by this National Recruitment Agency, that too only for non-technical posts. The test will be conducted for 3 levels, for graduate, 12th pass and 10th pass. There is no restriction on the number of attempts, only upper age limit has been given. You can take multiple times, but only upper age limit has been given. The best valid score will be the current score. Examination will be conducted in every district in 12 languages. Common curriculum, and common registration, single fee. You can save your money, time is also saved. Right? The score will be valid up to 3 years. The score you will get immediately. It helps in ensuring transparency. Using that score, you can apply for jobs in different sector. As I said, the exam will be conducted 2 times a year. Right? Reduction in the cost of conducting examination, better transparency. Right? We can avoid looking of question situations. There will be some standardization in exam pattern, faster recruitment cycle. So these are the advantages of this National Recruitment Agency. Right, friends? So based on our discussion, I have given a question, find out the right answer and give in the comment section. I hope you like the video. I hope you like this video series. Here I have given the details of my exclusive current affairs program, online program, live program, right? Recorded videos will also be given to you. You can watch it according to your convenience. Along with the course, I will be giving 1300 high quality current affairs MCQs with solutions. Alright. If you have any clarification, doubts, you can call to the given number here. You can download the class in this presentation by clicking the link given in the description box. Right, friends, tomorrow I will meet you with another exciting, interesting, important topic. Till then, bye. Take care.